Okay, I'd like to congratulate all senior fours who sat their exams last year in October and November. So in this video, I would like to help you guys and make you a tutorial on how you can check your results both by SMS and online. So before I start up my tutorial, I would like to request all viewers of this video to like this video by smashing the like button, subscribing to this YouTube channel, and then if you get any problem, just know that the comment section is open. So I start up my tutorial. We are going to go where we have the SMS. Then after we are going to open our messages. Then we are going to visit where we have that plus button, or on some devices we may have something like this right here, then a plus. Because of difference in devices, something may be there or there. You are free to click. So I'm going to click that one, and then here where I have 2, I'm going to type in 6600, and then I place this one, the done button. Then after, I'm going to go where I have the message right here, and then I'm going to type in UCE, and then you type in your index number, but first is the school center number. Let me use U2898/001, and then after you're going to load an airtime balance of 500 Uganda shillings as airtime on any of MTN or Airtel. Then you choose and you send. Now let us go to the online part. The online part will require someone's phone to have a mobile internet. If I say a mobile internet, I mean you must have an active running data bundle, or your device must be connected to a Wi-Fi network. So let me go and visit the Google Chrome, that one. If I open the Google Chrome, I'm going to go where we have the search bar, this one, and then let me first check my internet speed. I have an internet connection. Then I'm going to come right here where we search from, and then I type in https /eleg.unep.sc.ug/results. But before I go on to this web page, right at this moment, this web page is currently closed with a 404 error because results are not yet released. But by today, when they are going to release the results, because they are going to release them today or tomorrow or today, they are going to release them today if you're watching this video on Friday. They are going to release them tomorrow if you're watching this video on Thursday. But the moment they release them, they're going to open up that web page. Then you just click on it, and then it will direct you to the web page where you will be entering the index number. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. I sign out.